kids. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Violet color, blue color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, light green color, dark green color, black color, red color, peacock green color, orange color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Rectangle. Circle. Triangle. Star. Heart. Pentagon. Blue color. Rectangle. Rectangle. Blue color. Dark green color. Circle. 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 Dark green color. Yellow color. Triangle. Triangle. Yellow color. Triangle. Sky blue color. Star. 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 Sky blue color. Violet color. Heart. 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 Violet color. Light pink color. Pentagon. 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 Light pink color. Blue color, dark green color, yellow color, sky blue color, violet color, light pink color. Rectangle, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.